welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be teaching you 4 different ways of how I love to wear my headscarf or bandana. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, there's a little notification bell that you can hit as well if you guys want to be notified when I post new videos. With that being said, let's get on into it. So this is one way I like to style my headband. I just pulled my hair all the way back and then just wrapped the headband underneath my head and tied it on top of my head. But this is actually not one of the styles. I just thought I'd throw another one in there for you guys. The first way I love to wear my bandana is actually around my neck. And so what I do is I fold my bandana into a triangle. I got this bandana from Target. I think it was like $3.99. I love the colors. And so you just fold it into a triangle and then you wrap it up into little rectangles like that. And you just keep rolling into thin rectangles all the way until you reach the bottom. I'm sure you guys have seen this on Pinterest. I just wrap it around the back of my neck. I crisscross it right here, tuck it through the hole, and loosely just tighten it a little bit. You don't want to strangle yourself. And then you just tie another little knot like that. You just pull it out and it looks so cute and fun around your neck. You look like a little French girl in France. So the next hairstyle I like to do is a low ponytail. You can just take your brush and back comb it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my elastic band, just wrap a normal ponytail, kind of pull out the sides so it won't be too tight to your head. And then if you want to pull out the front pieces at all, you can. I have bangs, so I'm going to kind of keep this section of hair tucked back. My bangs are at like a very awkward stage right now where they really need to be cut, but they're just too long to wear in front of my face, so I kind of have to move them out of my eyes. But this is where I just wrap my ponytail holder around my ponytail and I tie it twice. And you can just leave it like this. I love it hanging. I think it looks so cute and it really just spices up your ponytail if you want to look a little bit more put together and fancy. So I think that is so fun. And then for the next look, I'm just going to back comb my bangs just a little bit. So I'm going to brush up my bangs and hold them straight up, and then use my brush to just back comb them a little bit so I get some volume. And then I'm going to take my elastic band and actually flip my head over and do a high bun. For the high bun, I'm just going to start off with a high ponytail, and I'm going to kind of just brush out any lumps or bumps I have in the back here. And then I'm going to take my ponytail and wrap it around itself. And then you take your elastic band, secure it, and I like to kind of just pull out my bun so it's super big and messy. I just pull out the edges on the sides here too. And then you can pull out some pieces that frame the face. And then you can add your bandana. I just wrap it around the back and make sure the ties are tied in the front. And you want to leave this loose. If you tie it too tight, it looks a little funny. Your bun looks like squeezed up at the top. You can just leave it real loose. And then I like to tie a bow to make these little stringy things a little bit shorter. And that is the finished look for this one. I think this is so cute when you want to have like a messy bun hairstyle day. You can just throw in a little headband and it makes it look 10 times cuter. And then the last look is a half up, half down style. So you're just going to take your hairbrush and kind of smooth out the top portion of your head. And then you're going to take the top section of your hair, pull it into a ponytail. I think I just ripped some of my hair out. You're going to kind of pull it so it makes this a little bit poofier. And then take your bandana underneath the ponytail. Wrap it around like so. And you can kind of tie this one tight. And then you just want to pull up your ponytail again And to make my ponytail look big and fun, I'm going to tease a section of it. So I just take half of the ponytail and then back comb with my hairbrush so it looks real big and poofy and fun. So you can either wear it like this in front of your face, which I think is super cute, or you can just twist this whole thing so the strings are in the back and they just kind of dangle like that, and it looks super fun, almost like you have a scrunchie in your hair, but you don't. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!